Hey everyone, this is Rima's Culinary Adventures and we are making hot and sweet chicken wings. Preheating the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, pan and grill. Prepare the chicken by cutting at the joint to separate the drummet from the winglet. You can also choose to separate the tip and save it for later for soups and stocks. Prepare the dry rub by mixing cornflour with salt, baking powder, onion powder and paprika and give it a good mix. The baking powder and cornflour makes the chicken really crispy in the oven. You will see that we won't use any fat at this stage. The fat from the skin and the cornflour and baking soda will make the chicken crispy in the oven. Cleaning your hands thoroughly before and after handling chicken. Make sure that you coat the chicken wings thoroughly in the dry rub and place it on a lined pan without overcrowding. Ensuring that the oven is preheated at 200 degrees Celsius fan and grill. Place the chicken in the middle of the pan for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes are up, turn the wings to brown the other side and place it back in the oven for 15 minutes. While the wings are baking, let's prepare our hot and sweet glaze by melting about a tablespoon of butter in the microwave. Add in some finely sliced green onions, grated or finely minced garlic, some thyme, hot sauce. In the description box below, I have added a recipe for a little cheat hot sauce that you could make with accessible ingredients at home. Add in the same amount of honey as hot sauce and then give everything a good mix to combine. Set aside for about 5 to 10 minutes, and once the chicken is out of the oven, add them into the glaze immediately and add in the chopped roasted peanuts. The peanuts, although optional, adds a flavor and crunch that you normally don't find in chicken wings, and therefore they make them extra special. But please feel free to omit or replace with some fried onions, sesame seeds, or any other nuts and seeds that you may have on hand. Stir gently to coat all the chicken wings well in the glaze and place it back on a wide oven-proof dish and place it back in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. The glaze will be set perfectly in 5 minutes, but I quite like the deep caramelization I get in 7 minutes. Garnish with some herbs. I quite like chives or green onions here, and serve on its own or with fries and salad and enjoy. Please like, subscribe and comment if you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and have a happy day.